Difference between parsing and converting. Main difference. Right. Uma, tell me.
So
Main difference between parsing and converting. Main difference.
in parsing, we can convert from only string to any primitive data,
Hmm.
whereas in converting, we can convert from any type of data to any other type of data.
Using parsing, you can convert from only string to some other primitive type. But using
Yes,
converting,
sir.
you can convert from any primitive to any other
To
primitive type.
any other primitive.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So we'll do one thing to get more clarity. But generally, whenever particular type conversion is not possible with parsing, then only we'll go to converting. Whenever particular type conversion is not possible with converting, then we will go for boxing and unboxing. Boxing and unboxing is the next topic. But up to that, we'll write one more small last program in converting. Okay, so there you can use parsing also. To understand more about converting, I'm giving this example. That expectable output is like this. You observe expectable output is enter EMP&O. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Enter EMP name. Let's say Rama. Enter, but you have to use converting only. Enter salary, 1000, and enter EMP age, right, 20. Enter, enter, yeah, uh, yeah, employee phone number, employee phone number. Suppose he entered 9866193194, like that. Next, yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah, enter. Yeah, that's enough. See here, almost all you are accepting how many inputs, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 inputs you are accepting. Display all these values you are storing into same different variables. Use appropriate data types, and wherever you need typecasting, don't use parsing. Use only converting. Okay. Final output is EMP&O is 1, 2, 3, and EMP name is Rama, and salary is salaries. You don't require to write. I'll write the code. You just give me the code. Salary is 1000. Next, yeah, EMP age is EMP age is 20. Next, EMP phone number is EMP phone number is 9866193194. Next, EMP. What is the last one? That's it. Huh? Okay, that's it. Okay, na? That's it. For this, we have to write the program. My question is, my point is here, use appropriate data types according to the coding standard. Second is, whenever you need to perform typecasting, actually, my question is, do we require converting requirement in this example, in this requirement?
Converting.
Yes, sir.
Then concentrate properly. Compulsory, no, my question is, see, is converting is required to use in this example?
No, we
We
can
can
use,
use
but
parsing
we
also.
can use parsing also, sir.
That I am telling. What I am telling you, this example we can achieve with parsing also. But
Yes, sir.
to get more command on converting as a programmer, as a learner, I am advising you people. That's why you will get a doubt. Sir, we can complete this with the help of parsing. I know very well. But to get more command to you people, and I am asking you guys, wherever you need converting, typecasting, don't use parsing, use converting. Did you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Or else,
So,
can you try at least you open Visual Studio, otherwise use, don't use parsing, use only converting, use only converting. Why we are using converting? Not situation is demanding, we are personally demanding ourselves to get more clarity about converting. That is it. Yeah, do it fast. over. Completed. Over. I hope it's completed by all the people. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Right. You do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Use parsing or converting.
Converting, sir.
How many conversion methods you are used overall? Different methods. Here, what is the method you are used?
Four of them.
Here, what?
There, you know.
No, no. Your method name. Method name. Method name.
Convert dot to you into
Converting dot
Method
you
name.
in
I'm asking you method name, not class name. Convert is a class. Method name is what? To
You long.
no
you long.
you long.
method.
you in
To
64.
you long.
That I am
You in 64.
telling here and there answers. Method name 2u into 64. Here,
64.
here
Double.
2 double.
Double.
Don't
Two
say
double.
double. 2 double. Method name. Method name. 2 double.
Yeah,
Method
two
Two
double.
double.
2 double.
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 See, we have to recognize what is your method, what is class. Okay, you are a programmer. Technically, method name 2 double. Here method name. What is the type conversion method?
2 byte.
2 byte. 2 byte.
2 byte.
Here,
2
here
byte.
method name. Here method name.
2 you int 64.
Very good. Like that. That I am asking you. Come on, guys. Right. We'll write the code now. Yes. Okay. Yeah, almost a similar program we have written. Observed.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost a similar program we have written. Now, come on. Just reconnecting you because it's a very frequently using concept to converting. Yeah, guys. Tell me. What is that? Yeah. Console dot.
Console dot write line.
Teja, Teja, are you there? Teja? Teja. Mhm. Right. Okay. Right. Neha, Neha, not Neha. Poonam, tell me the code.
Console dot write line. Enter employee number.
Enter EMPNO.
Employee.
Right. Tell me. Hmm.
Uh, you long e name.
ENO. Hmm? ENO.
Ian.
E number equals to convert dot
Convert that
to you int 64
to look into 64
64 console dot
console dot
read line
right.
console dot write line.
Console dot pipeline.
Enter employee name.
Enter EMPNO. Right.
String ename.
Email.
Console.readline.
Console.readline. Right. Next, Chari, come on, continue the code. Chari, continue the code. Come on, continue the code.
Control dot right line of console dot right line of enter EMP cell.
Enter, right, enter EMP or salary.
And
Salary.
double
Salary. Next, double ESAL.
ESAL equals to convert to dot to double.
Double ESAL equal to double ESAL equal to what is that? Convert.
Convert to dot to double.
Chari question here. Here, what is convert?
Yes.
What is
Convert is a class, sir. It's defined from base class
That is a
library.
class.
two double is what?
The method from
Method name.
member method convert class.
Very good. Right. Okay, guys. Next. Yeah. Now Bhaskar continue. Bhaskar continue. Bhaskar continue.
long equal long employee phone number
Your
equal
accepted salary. After salary requirement should be in front of you. Always whenever I give a requirement, you have to record on paper. Enter employee age, right? Then console dot right line.
console dot right
Enter
enter
EMP.
employee phone number byte
Byte age. Byte
employee age
let's say age also
convert dot
convert dot to
2 byte
byte. Convert dot to byte. To byte. Tell me what is that? Console dot read line.
deadline
Read line. Next
console dot right line enter employee phone number
console dot right line. Console dot right line. Enter
employee phone number employee phone number
employee phone number. Phone number. Right. Next.
long
Enter apply phone number. What is that next? You long. Okay. Okay.
long
Okay. Next. Neha, continue. Neha, are you aware about requirement? Or else,
Yes, sir.
no, no? Okay. You can mute noise system. Now, next, Seventy, continue. Continue. Enter employee phone number.
You long employee phone number
No.
equal to
You long EPHNO equal to, come on.
convert to dot
Convert dot, convert dot,
to long 64.
Two method names. That's the reason I am giving this example. You should get the hands-on experience, or you are able to remember the method names. Two, Ulanga method name.
Yes, too long 64.
Two
You int.64.
64 of console dot read line.
Console dot read line.
Read line over. Next, any more inputs are there? Any more inputs? Phone number is also over. Na? All inputs are over. Now all are what? Outputs only. Now all are what? Outputs only. Come on, tell me.
Console dot right line.
Console dot right line. Console dot right line.
Yeah. Name.
EMPNO.
Employee.
EMPNO is. EMPNO is. ENO. Right. Next.
Console dot right line.
Console dot right line. What?
EMP name is.
EMP
name
is.
is
Name.
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 Console dot right line.
1 minute. Next. Console dot right line.
Console dot right line. EMP salary is.
Salary is. Salary is. Right. Next.
Console dot right line.
Right line. Console dot right line. Come on. Phone number age.
Phone number is PHO number.
Yeah. Phone phone number is phone number is
In the PH.
Sir, age, sir.
age missed. Okay, we'll print now.
Yeah, you missed the age.
Age missed, right? That's it. I hope age is missed. Right before phone number age. Come on. Console dot right line. Seventh
Console dot right.
uh,
Console dot right line age is
age
sorry phone
age is age
plus age.
age
EH.
age. Right? Yeah. And finally, last statement is what console dot read line. Console dot read line. Console dot read line. Console dot read line. This is the program you have to write. I think are you hands on up to here, all of you? Are you hands on?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now we are going to trace the program. You remember one important point. See, people will always fight with advanced things, not exactly like that. To become a good programmer in .NET, 5 topics are important from the beginning I was telling. Number 1 is data types, which we covered. Number 2 is typecasting, which we are discussing. Number 3 is control statements, which we are going to start on Monday. Control statements. Number 4 is object-oriented programming concepts. Number 5 is data access programming, that is a concept called ADO.NET. These 5 are like Panchabhutal. Number 1, data types. Number 2, typecasting and control statements. Now by today these 2 are over. Monday we are going to enter into this. But wherever you go, yes, these concepts will come with you. In .NET you go to any advanced level. These are very, very important foundation for you like anything. If you write a single line code, in that single line code compulsory, any code you write, compulsory the 4 lines will be there. Tomorrow when you write in ASP.NET a single line also, in that single line I can show you these 4 concepts will be involved. That's the reason which are very, very important we are concentrating. Now I hope you are written this. Now let's do one thing. I'm tracing the program. Try to concentrate last program in converting, okay, but as well as we will use converting in so many places in future, compilation and execution. Now I am tracing the program line by line. You should also be able to debug a program like this. Whenever you will have this ability, you will become a good programmer. I am sure about that. Don't compromise with my explanation. You are also able to do the tracing. That is important. Whenever you run the application, program execution starts by main method. Now right line will print enter EMPNO and moving the cursor to next line. Next in this LHS, RHS will execute console.read line. So read line is accepting 1, 2, 3. Once you press enter, read line will return as a string and u into 64 will be converting into which type? Teja. U into 64. 2u into 64 is converting into which type? Which type?
U long type.
Which type? U long. You will be converting into U long. That U long will be assigning into EMP variable. Next, enter EMP name, printing the value and moving the cursor to next line. Next, after this, control will execute RHS, that is console.readline, which is holding the command prompt window. User entered Rama. Rama is accepted by readline, will be stored into ename and enter salary. Next, read line will be holding output window 1000. 1000 is entered by the user, accepted by read line. Read line will return as a string. String value will be converted into double by 2 double method. LHS will create a variable, then will be assigning. Next, console.writeLine, enter EMPH will be printing and moving the cursor to next line. And RHS will execute. Read line is holding right now. It is accepting input from the user. Let's say user entered 20. The 20 will be returning by the read line as a string. Then 2 byte method will be returning, converting into byte, and that will be stored into byte variable. Next console.writeLine, enter employee phone number and console.readline is executing right now, which is holding the command prompt window. I entered my phone number, which is entered by the user and accepted by readline. Readline will return that phone number as a string value. That string value will be converting into ulong by a method called toUint64 and storing into a variable. Then these 4-5 lines will display this following output. What is the following output? Yes, following output is what? EMP NO is 123, EMP name is Rama, salary is 1000, age is 20, phone number is this. This is in this program we are implemented what concept, converting. Same requirement we are implemented in previously, I think so, by using parsing. So that is a story about converting. So converting and parsing concepts will not end today. Forever till you will in .NET platform, these two concepts will be frequently using concepts. Right. Next we'll go to the next level topic. That is what third explicit typecasting concept is boxing and unboxing. Third one is boxing and unboxing. Boxing. Did I give any assignment yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I was asking you implement parsing your all examples with the help of converting. I hope, right? Am I right?
Converting.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes.
think so completed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Completed.
Yeah, that is important. See, one thing I'm telling you, uh, as well as simultaneous like regular attendance. Similarly, regular lab attendance. Regular lab attendance is important here. Then only you can expect the results. Connectivity, lot of connectivity will be there. Class will go 1 hour, but you have to sit at home 4-5 hours for work. Okay, lab book is there. Different. Even the not covered concepts also you have to try. And as well as you have C# book. You have to see the next level what I am going to teach. You have to refer. Interview question bank. 3 books you have to simultaneously refer. Okay. Boxing and unboxing. Boxing is a process of converting from value type to reference type. Boxing is a process of converting from value type to reference type. Okay. What are value types? What are reference types? We remembered.
Yes, sir.
Shiva, you tell me, give me value types, some of value types in .NET. Which is,
Floating point, character, and numerical data type.
you can say
It's
structure,
1, 2, 3, 4 value types.
structure and enumerators are value types. In structure,
Yes, sir.
two types, 1, 2, 3, 4. Floating point, numerical type, character and logical are
Character and logical.
value types. Now, next unboxing. Unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to value type. Unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to value type. So boxing and unboxing. Unboxing is the process of converting from reference type to value type. These two concepts we will not use right now. We will use future. Up to that I'll give you only syntax. But remember, now Seventy, tell me what is boxing?
Boxing is a process of converting from value type to reference type.
What is unboxing?
Unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to value type.
Value type. Coming to syntax. Syntax for, see, both concepts we have the same syntax. I'm introducing today this. We will use in future. But up to that you remember, by default type conversion is implicit. Whenever particular type conversion is not possible with implicit, we will go with the parsing. When we will go for parsing? Whenever particular type conversion is not possible with implicit. Then if
Implicit.
particular typecasting is not possible with parsing, we go with converting. Then
Converting.
for boxing and unboxing, when particular type conversion is not possible with the converting, then we will go next level called what? Boxing and unboxing. Boxing and unboxing. So syntax for this: two data type, two data type, two variable, two variable. Next, two data type, two data type, two data type, two variable. Again, two data type and from value, from value. So this is the syntax. Just to remember it. We will not using now. Will situation will demand us to use this concept. Again, I'm telling you, two data type, two variable, and again two data type. But the two data type should be with parenthesis. This should be with parenthesis. Again from value. That value may be variable which contains value or a direct value. This is a syntax for boxing and unboxing. This is syntax for boxing and unboxing. Okay. Now, so now we will do up to here we have done type conversions. Now we are entering into the next topic called control statements. Before, most important concept in programming languages is control statements like simple if else if. Most of the time there is a chance of confusion in this area. Before entering into this, I am going to have a go. We will go back, like we will look old concepts like what exactly we have done till the time in interview question bank. All of you guys open your interview question bank. All of you guys open your interview question bank. Interview question bank. 250.NET interview question bank. 250.NET interview question bank. In that question bank, I think we concentrated up to here in .NET framework section. Now we are entering into C#.NET. In that C#.NET, whatever we covered till the time we will touch. Okay, one by one. 1, 2, 3. See up to what we covered. You observe up to how many questions we covered. We will see if anything is missed also we can discuss now. That is my idea. Can you give me the question numbers?
19.
Yeah. Yeah, 19. 20 also we have to discuss, we'll cover later. 19 we covered, I think. 19.
Yes, sir.
19,
19 we just covered.
19 only.
We just
19 only. One by one we'll discuss now. One by one we will discuss. Right. Now you observe. The first question, all of you guys open. Why C#.NET? Now, yes. Rehan, why C#.NET? Why C#.NET? Rehan.
To develop a type of application by using .NET framework, we required one of the .NET language to write the business
You are reading.
logic.
No, you are reading the answer. Not like that. Make simple answer. Make a simple answer. Why C#.NET? Simply you
So it is used for writing a business logic.
to define the functionality of the
Of the application.
application.
.NET.
Application.
Functionality of the application. Okay. Now, yes. Next after that, we have discussed explain about primitive data types. When you say primitive, explain about primitive data types means we have to discuss about those types. Which types? 5 types. What are the 5 types?
5 types.
What are the 5 types?
Numerical.
Right. Vinil, what are the 5 types? Now tell me.
Numerical data types. Floating point data type.
Next.
Character related data type.
Next.
Logical data type.
Next.
General data type.
General data type. Now, yeah. Now, Urmil is there. Are you there, Urmil? Right. Next, Aditya. Aditya, explain about numerical data types. Always the lot of eyes. Okay, better than you. Right. Teja is just now arrived. Okay. Harsha, now explain about numerical data types. Harsha, explain about otherwise Harsha is in office it seems right now. Next, yeah, right. Neha, explain about numerical data types.
Depending on the type of data, numerical data types are divided into two types, signed and unsigned. And signed are divided into four types depending on the size of the data. Are S-byte, short, int, and long. S-byte is of
No. Okay. Enough. Right. Okay. Now, Uma, now you explain about numerical data types.
Yes, sir. Numerical data type are, which is not having any kind of floating point, and it is divided in classified into two types: signed numerical data and unsigned numerical data. Signed numerical data contains positive and negative values, whereas unsigned contains only positive values.
Okay.
And signed numerical data are divided into four types, that is S-byte, short, int, and long. Whereas unsigned is byte, U short, U in, and long,
Yeah.
U long.
Very good. Next, coming to right, Shivakumar, explain about floating point data types.
Floating point data type having only there is no numerical data.
No.
There are three types: float, double,
No unsigned. All are by default signed.
and float, double, and decimal.
Double, decimal. Based on how this classified these data types? Based on
the size.
size. Float size is how many bytes?
No, 1 byte.
Float 1 byte.
And float 2 bytes.
2 bytes. Not referring. Float
4 bytes.
4 bytes.
4 bytes.
Double
8 bytes.
8 bytes.
8 bytes.
decimal
16 bytes.
16.
Okay, very good. Character related data types. Come on. Seventy, explain about character related data types.
Character related data types. It will allocate. Oh, I forgot, sir.
Okay, now about character related data types. Vinay, mute character related data types. Teja. Next, Renuka, explain about character related data types. Right, Renuka, explain about character related.
char.
Only char.
The size of yes, sir, char. The predefined size of char is 2 bytes.
How many bits? 16 bits.
2 bytes, sir.
2
16 bits.
8 bits.
Now 4, not 8, 2 into 8.
Sorry, 16 bits, yeah.
Right, logical data
Yes,
types.
sir, 16.
Explain about logical data types. Only one.
Logical data type contain only one, that is bool.
Good. Now
Bool may
general,
be either true or false.
explain about general data. How many are there general data types? 2.
General data types are two types, string and object.
Now what is the predefined size of string? What is the predefined size of string? Uma, what is the predefined size of string?
So there is no predefined size.
There is no
It is a collection of character and alphabet alpha, numeric and floating.
Data types will not have any predefined.
String. It doesn't have any predefined string.
Okay, right. Yeah, right. Next, let's discuss about this question, difference between value types and difference types. Sukanya, are you there? Sukanya? Sukanya? No response. Right. People will listen the classes without responding. What is the use of attending course? No use, I'm sure about that. Right. Pandu, can you respond for this question? Differences between value types and difference types. Value types, difference types. Okay. Next. Yeah, Bhaskar, explain about value types and difference types. Bhaskar.
In value types, data will be stored in stack memory.
Okay.
In reference type, data will be stored in heap memory. Value type contains actual data, I mean exact data. And different type variable will contain address of data. The address of data will store.
Okay.
In primitive data types, using primitive data types in structures and enumerator.
Noise is coming from your side. Now, yeah, Uma, Vinil, tell me, which are value types, which are reference types? In primitive data, generally, in primitive data types, which are value types, which are reference types? Vinil.
Numerical data type, floating point data type, character data type, logical data type, or the primitive
value types.
This value types, because these are the predefined structures.
Excellent.
It defines the type and size.
Right. What are the reference types?
Reference type is a general data type, the string and the object, because it defines only the type.
Right. My question is class value type or reference type?
Class is a reference type.
Object.
Object is a reference type.
Structure.
Structure is a
Value type.
Value type.
Enumerator. Enumerator.
Enumerator is also
Value.
value type.
Value type.
Interface.
Interface is a reference type.
Delegates.
Difference.
Delegate is a reference type.
Int.
Value.
Int is a value type.
Float.
Value.
Float value type.
Bool.
Value.
Bool value type.
Right. Okay, fine. Now console.
Class.
Console is a class. What type? It is not a primitive.
Reference.
Is a class. It's a reference.
Reference type. Correct. Reference type.
Fine. Next.
Reference.
Yeah. Now my question is next. Now Vinod, are you there? Can you respond? Vinod, can you respond? Right. Now next question to Uma, tell me when we will go for signed data types and when we will go for unsigned data types generally.
Whenever we need whenever we have to use a positive and negative values, we go for signed. And when we need only for positive values, we go for signed, unsigned.
Yeah. See, whenever I am asking question, I have observed most of the people are while giving the answer, that gunshot answers are not coming. That is very, very important. That will be happen only when you will do repetitions of preparation. Okay, right. Next, my question is, here, Sammy, what is the output of the program?
Yes, sir.
Output of the program.
Output.
First is C
Equal to A, into A equal to C, console.writeLine of J.
The output will be
A.
output will be J, sir. J value is A, sir. Output will be A value is what's the value? 97.
97 is what? ASCII value. ASCII value.
ASCII values.
Right, guys? We discussed about this, whether you remembered or not. But let me explain one more time. Let me explain one more time what is happening here. Try to understand. Huh? I'm sorry. Right. 97. Why 97? Let me explain now. Yeah. We discussed about this, whether you remembered or not. First, control is executing this one. Char C. C variable will create. The C variable type is char. C variable type is char. And the C variable will contain a value called A. And A and J next into J equal to C. J variable will create. The J variable type is integer. The J variable type is integer. Into J equal to C means C value you are assigning into A. Means character value data you are assigning into integer type variable. Whenever we assign a char type value into numerical type variable, that will be assigning the concerned char data ASCII value. Small a ASCII value is what? 97. That's the reason console.WriteLine here J will print 97. J will print what is that? 97. So this is the story. Now I'm asking another question now. Come on guys, get ready. See the code in my screen, all of you. See the code in my screen,
Yes.
all of you, and get ready for answer. Yes. Char x equal to capital A into j equal to x. Console dot write line of x. Console dot write line of
Okay.
j. Now, yeah, for this, output is what? Rehan. Rehan, are you there? Rehan.
I think
Sure.
Yeah,
Sir.
output is what, Rehan?
ASCII value.
Output. Two outputs has to get, you know.
For x,
Without ASCII.
Lines. Two right.
Yeah, yes.
What is the output?
for x it is a, and for j it is
65.
Capital A ASCII value is 65. Here right line of x. X will print character data only. The character data is what? Capital A. Character data capital A. But next to second output is whenever you assign char data into numerical data type variable called integer, concern capital A ASCII value is what? 65. 65 will be assigning. Okay, similarly I have a question now. Here double j same j equal to x. What is output? For first output you know, second output I want. Rehan, tell me.
Same output. 67.
Same
65.
Same 65. Whenever you assign a char data into numerical type variable or floating point data type variable, it will be converting, the char data will be converting into ASCII values. Will be converting into ASCII values. Okay, right? Next, next, okay, fine. Let's go back. Some questions to all people. Okay, bool b equals to
Sir, one
uh, right. Tell me.
Error.
Yeah,
Showing error, sir.
bool b equal to 1. Bool b equal to 1. Can I assign a
It's mismatch, sir.
one value into
No,
bool
sir.
variable? Can we
No,
assign?
sir.
No.
No. Why?
Because it accepts only true or false, sir.
True or
No,
false?
sir. The size is 1 bit.
True or
Its
false?
size is 1.
Not exactly like that. See, 1 is not here. 1. See,
Binary format.
this is not.
One is integer.
True value.
No. Actually, we will
Numeric, sir.
like this. What we will discuss, bool variable. Listen. Bool variable. In general, we'll talk about bool like this. I'll tell you. Bool variable can contain bool data. Bool data can be true or false. That's why bool b equal to true. And like you can write bool c equal to false. Bool b equal to true. Bool c equal to false. Bool b equal to true. Bool c equal to false. Okay. Now you can observe. Now you can observe. Bool b equal to true. Bool c equal to false. True will be assigning into b, false. Then true will be stored in the memory as binary 1. False will be stored in memory as binary 0. Actually memory for bool type variable memory is how much?
1 bit.
Predefined size. Only 1 bit. 1 bit means this bool variable will get the memory of only 1 bit. That 1 bit will be representing binary 1. It will be stored as binary 1. It will be stored as binary 0. But here you are trying to assign anyhow 1 only na, I will assign like this. Anyhow 0 na, I will assign like this. Then you are really, it's wrong. Why? The reason is this 1 and 0 are not binary 1 and binary 0. This is numerical 1. This is what one? Numerical 1. This is numerical 0. That is a problem here. Okay, so you cannot assign like this. You cannot assign like this. Right. Next to, yeah. The next question. Can we assign null value into value type variable? Can we assign null value?
Yes.
No.
No. We cannot assign null
By
value
format.
to variable. We can assign null value to reference type variable. Next question. How to assign null value into value type variable? By declaring
Syntax.
nullable, nullable,
Value type.
Value type.
you forgot everything it seems. Into a equal to null. Valid or invalid?
Question mark.
Not valid.
Invalid.
You have to convert into nullable.
Invalid.
Now
Valid.
Yes.
valid.
Is
Now
valid.
valid.
Now valid. That I am asking. So yeah. Right. Next noise. Now next. What is okay? What is implicit typed variable that we that we discussed? Difference between type of and get type. Difference between type of and get type. Difference between type of and get type. Okay, we'll do one thing. You didn't prepare these questions. Even the syllabus is covered. Total number of questions are how many? 19.
19.
19. Work for you is
19, sir.
night work for you is like, this weekend you are having box office bonanza. Task 1 is 1 to 19 from C#.NET question bank. Question bank. Record question and answer 5 times and send to me. All 19 answers you have to, no doubt you have to do this.
So 5 times.
5 times you have to write and send to me, handwritten. This is task 1.
Yes,
Task
sir.
2 is,
Yes, sir.
no, you have to
We can't copy and paste.
no.
Copy and paste.
Handwritten 5 times. At the top I want to see first, second, third, fourth, and 5 times you should use 5 colors, 5 color pens. Okay, different coloring. You have to differentiate. Otherwise you do differentiate with paper or color pen, or first time you have underline all, second time something. I want to see the difference. 5 times you have written 5 with 5 times you have to put the efforts. Now task 2 is
Yes.
C#.NET. Next, I'm going to send now today videos. C#.NET 1 to N video. N video means including today video. N video. I will send to you. Listen these recordings one time and prepare short notes Send to me. Send to me. Now onwards you are going to be busy. Control statements will, there we have to do disco dance, you know, lot of logic will be there. Send to me. And like what, you know, this book, this material, how you have to prepare. C#.net 1 underscore nodes first file. C#.net 2 underscore nodes 3, like that. N recording. I didn't remember 19 or 20 recordings are there. 19 you have received, I think pending also. Now I am going to send to you. Start already you have up to 19, I hope. Up to whatever you have, you start. Remaining I'll send you. This also you have to do. One thing I'm telling you, I need a job in 3 interviews means follow all these things. 3 interviews, 15 days, 3 interviews, job is yours after training. After training, at the time of training, attending training, don't concentrate any interview. Only concentrate class assignment. 1 hour class, 4 hours work in the lab. And 2 hours class, 8 hours you should work hard. Then you will get extraordinary output. So, sir, I want ordinary output means it's up to you. Okay. So, thank you very much. And you need all these things.
So, sir, I have a doubt.
Whatever recordings you have, you start. Remaining all recordings one more time. 1 to n recordings I'm going to share to all the people. Don't worry. Because till yesterday I had an internet problem. Now it's going to resolve today. Remaining pending you are going to get. Next class will be on Monday. Okay. Any concerns you can send me the any recordings all I'm going to send to all the people. A to Z I'm going to share one more time, including today. Thank you very much. We'll meet on Monday. Any concerns you can communicate me through email. Okay.
So,
Still important, any concern, please wait. Remaining people can leave the session.
yeah, so this is Poonam.